ThinkPad laptop that is not working or has an X message. Yes, the first thing as usual is to like the video first or subscribe to the channel so that the channel is happy. Okay, next, if you are experiencing the same problem, I suggest you download the driver on the official Lenovo product website. Please connect the internet and open a browser. Next, when the browser opens, please just type Lenovo Service Bridge G. This ThinkPad is a Lenovo product, so we choose Lenovo Service Bridge. Well, here the language is free, any language. Next, you can choose this one, download and install Lenovo Service Bridge. Click here to download the application. What is the function of this service bridge? To allow the web system to detect our laptop product according to type and what and SNID like that. When it has been downloaded, please just run it by clicking once here. Wait for the application to install and the initial installation screen will appear like this, friends. Well, just click Next. Then, just click Finish. Yes, when we have opened a new tab, now please type Download Driver. Download what? Download Lenovo driver. Just enter. Later we will choose the official website, yes, the top one. Here we can automatically detect the recommended one, yes. Click Scan now, then please select Start Scan. Then this website will automatically scan and detect our laptop brand and type, yes. Also what Windows version. This is the function of Lenovo Service Bright G Preg, yes. Now, I'll speed up this video, yes. If there is a description like this, click Install. This is a bit long, yes. I waited about 5 minutes, but I cut the video into pieces so that the duration is not too long like that, friends. Now, next it will have a progress like this, yes, start scan then scanning from 0 to 100. Now, later it will look like this that only the touchpad is provided. This is automatic, yes. Meanwhile, what we need is audio speaker sound like that, friends. If the audio has been detected, please select Download, select Yes. But if for example there is no, then we have to download it manually. How do you do it, sir? Manual download? Click Yes. Let's go back first, yes. Here there is a manual update, yes. Then we click the sound or audio icon. Then here we just download the audio driver provided by the official website, yes. We choose the recommended one, friends. But you can also try the one with a critical description. It's okay, yes, it's still supported. Because this is on the official website so it's not dangerous. Yes, that's it, friends. This is the download process. Let's wait until the download is complete, yes. Okay, done. When the driver has finished downloading, let's just install the driver. Okay, let's close the browser first, friends. We open File Explorer, then look for the driver we downloaded earlier. This one, yes, the one above. This one is the one we downloaded the audio driver earlier. Just double-click it, then select Next and Accept. Then Next again and install. Yes, the installation process takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes. We will not take long to speed up the video. Then when it's finished, usually the audio or speaker sound will work immediately. It will be normal or already have sound, usually. But if the driver has been installed, but for example it still says X or the audio is not working, for example like this. The driver has been installed finished but the icon is still X, the audio is not working. We open the device manager. When the device manager opens, look for the audio driver with an exclamation mark. Please right-click, then Update Driver. Select Browse and let me pick. We just choose the latest driver. Then when we scan, the audio icon will work again. It's normal and we can adjust the volume. What does that mean? It means the audio has been resolved, friends. Like that, right? Well, please try it. For friends who have worked or have succeeded, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel or like the video. If it still doesn't work, please ask in the comments section. I'll give you or find another solution.